Hi, I'm Juliana, and today in the kitchen we're going to make some easy, cheesy garlic bread. This is one of my favorite comfort food side dishes. It is perfect with a cozy soup. It adds a little warmth to salads, and of course it's perfect with pasta dishes like lasagna. For both versions of this garlic bread recipe, I like to use baguette and cut it a little bit on the diagonal. If you want to do the traditional kind, you can just use a bigger loaf, a French loaf. And if you use a French loaf, I would say you want to double this recipe, the butter mixture. So we cut them on the diagonal and then cut them in half and place them on our pan. We want to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. For the quick weekday meal prep version, you want to crush 1 clove of garlic into a small bowl with about 1/3 cup of softened butter. And we're just going to let that sit for a minute. When you let garlic sit for a couple minutes, it releases this stuff called allicin, and that is apparently where all the health benefits come from. I'm not a doctor, just sharing some tips. And speaking of tips, here's another quick one. Apparently, if we rub our hands on stainless steel, wash them and rub them on stainless steel after you touch garlic, it gets rid of the smell. It worked for me. Let me know in the comments if you try it and it works for you. Now let's chop a little bit of fresh parsley. You want about 2 tablespoons. I am using flat leaf Italian parsley. It's a little milder and not quite so coarse as the curly leaf. For the quick weeknight version, mix the garlic into the butter so it's nice and soft and well mixed. And then we're going to add about 1/2 cup of that Parmesan cheese and our parsley. For this version, the garlic doesn't have a lot of time to diffuse through the butter, so I like to add a little bit of garlic powder, and just because I think it adds to the flavor, I also add a pinch of onion powder, a bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to mix this up till it's nicely blended. For spreading the butter on the bread, I find a spatula is easier to use than a knife, but go ahead and try them both and let me know which one you prefer. The idea is to cover each piece as evenly as you can so that we don't get any dry spots. This smells so good, I don't think we even need to bake it, but we're going to. But before we pop it in the oven, we need to add the cheese. All right, we want to let these bake for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of baking at 400, we want to switch our oven to broil. And this is where you want to keep an eye on it because it only takes 2 to 5 minutes and they're done. Oh, these smell delicious. We're going to have a quick snack break and then I'll get on to version 2. This version is a milder, smoother garlic bread. We're going to still need a baguette, 1.5 cups of fresh grated Parmesan cheese, 1/3 cup of butter, clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons of parsley, and maybe one other little thing. But for this version, you want to crush the garlic into a saucepan with 1 tablespoon of the butter, and over a medium heat, saute it until the garlic is nice and fragrant and softened. At this point, we just need to turn off the heat and add the rest of the butter. We just wanted to cook the garlic a little bit in the beginning because it helps spread the garlic flavor throughout the butter nicely, and then it's not such a strong bite. And next you want to add about 2 handfuls of the Parmesan cheese, so that's about 1/2 cup. And we want to add just a little bit of pepper. And I like to add a little bit of fresh parsley, and I'm using Italian flat leaf parsley. And if you happen to have a little bit of fresh basil, like I do, because I'm about to cook up some lasagna next, you want to chop a little bit of that basil and add it to your butter mix too. Give it a quick stir, then spread it on your bread and top with the rest of your Parmesan. Pop those in the oven for about 5 minutes like that. After 5 minutes of baking it, you want to switch it to broil. And I'm not going to move the oven rack, so you just want to keep it where it was in the middle of the oven for baking and keep an eye on it because once the broiler goes on, it browns pretty quick. A couple of minutes and they're done. And you'll have yourself some delicious cheesy garlic bread to go with your dinner. Happy cooking. Thanks for stopping at the kitchen. Have a great day.